Good day. My name is Charlotte. Today we will talk a little bit about screws and nuts. Screws and nuts might look simple, but sometimes their importance is overlooked by people who make things. Serious companies like FM always remember how important these small parts are. They know that these little details make a big difference and that they carry a big responsibility. This is because screws and nuts affect how safe, durable, and reliable a product is. The most common way to keep screws and nuts tight is by using something called thread lock. It can be applied by hand, by a machine, or using both methods. The applying process is not difficult or complicated at all, but FM looks at this process seriously. At FM, when it fits our production process, we use machines to apply thread lock. Let me show you how we do this at our factory in Taiwan. Thank you for watching. We hope you liked this video and that it gave you a basic idea of how and what FM does to our products. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Goodbye.